breaking news of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes are possible Thursday from parts of eastern Georgia northeastward through North Carolina, after several tornadoes and dozens of tornado warnings were reported through the night. Large hail, wind damage and a tornado threat are expected Thursday mid-morning hours as far as Virginia and Florida, said the National Weather Service. While nearly 16 million people in the southeast could see powerful storms, the Weather Service's Storm Prediction Center said, a region of about 3 million stretching from southeastern Arkansas and northeastern Louisiana across Mississippi into Alabama was at high risk for big twisters that stay on the ground for miles, straight winds up to 80 miles per hour and destructive hail. In all, over 40 million Americans were in the path of the fierce storms Wednesday, the center said. More than 30,000 homes and businesses in Mississippi and Alabama were still without power Wednesday night, according to PowerTouch.us. At least 9 tornadoes were reported across the South on Wednesday, the Weather Service's Storm Prediction Center said, 6 in Alabama, 2 in Mississippi and 1 in Louisiana. No injuries were reported. The Weather Service also issued more than 50 tornado warnings in Alabama, Arkansas, Texas, Mississippi and Oklahoma. Tornado watches included parts of 7 states. A tornado watch explains that tornado weather conditions are on the way in the next few hours, while a tornado warning is issued when a storm has been detected by the Weather Services. Earlier on Wednesday, the Storm Prediction Center said that a significant tornado outbreak, with long-track, intense tornadoes is expected to begin this afternoon across parts of Louisiana and Arkansas, and then spread eastward and peak this evening into tonight across Mississippi and Alabama. A rare particularly dangerous situation, PDS, tornado watch had been issued by the center Wednesday afternoon due to the high chance of tornadoes in portions of Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas and Alabama. This includes the cities of Jackson, Mississippi, and Birmingham, Alabama. The widespread severe weather forced many schools and state agencies in Alabama, Louisiana and Mississippi to either close or shift to virtual learning attendance. Large vaccination clinics where hundreds of people an hour can get shots without leaving their vehicles were canceled in Alabama, Mississippi and Tennessee. The threat will continue overnight in Alabama, which is an especially deadly time for tornadoes in the South, experts said. The most important thing is this is coming at nighttime. This is what scares me the most, so have multiple ways to get your weather alerts, said Nick Lawley of the Tuscaloosa County, Alabama, Emergency Management Agency. There will be a continued threat of widespread severe storms across the southeast into Thursday. School systems in Alabama and Mississippi canceled classes, planned online sessions or announced early dismissals because of the threat. In preparation for the outbreak, Alabama Governor Kay Ivey issued a state of emergency on Tuesday afternoon ahead of the severe weather. This severe weather event, coupled with the public health emergency, poses extraordinary conditions of disaster and of extreme peril to the safety of persons and property within the state, Ivey said in a statement.